Hey, what's up guys? It's Joshua here. So about a month ago, I had a video go somewhat viral on my channel, reaching over 300,000 views. Considering at the time of this video blowing up, my most viewed video on this channel had maybe 15,000 views, and so this was a huge moment for my channel. And on top of the boost in subscribers, I also saw a massive boost in revenue thanks to that one viral video. And don't worry, we'll get to exactly how much I've made from this video in just a moment. So first of all, for all of you who found my channel through that video and you subscribed and you watch my videos now, I genuinely want to say thank you so much for your support. It means the absolute world to me. Also, a big shout out to the YouTube algorithm for suggesting that video to so many of you guys. YouTube algorithm, I am indebted to you. Okay, now to really break down how much I've earned from this video and how much I'm continuing to earn as more views roll in, I want to take you into the back end of my channel and show you all of the actual raw data, like the details and the analytics that you guys don't get to see, that only I can see, but I'm going to be 100% transparent with you. Also, really quickly, I just want to say this. I'm not making this video as some sort of like weird flex or something like, look at how much money I've made from this video. That's not why I'm doing it. You guys know, if you've watched my videos, and you can even go back and look at my first video that I ever posted on this channel, you'll see that my goal with this channel has always been to teach you guys, to inspire and motivate, and to provide you with as much value as I possibly can, completely free of cost to you. Listen, I've had countless advertisers and companies reach out to me trying to get me to advertise their shady business or their scam cryptocurrencies on this channel, and they're willing to pay me thousands of dollars to do it. But I would never do that because I value and I respect you guys. I respect your time, and I would never drop down that low. Oh, also guys, make sure you drop a like down below for the YT algo. That would mean so much to me. Thank you. Anyways, here we are. As you can see on the screen now, this is my channel dashboard. Okay, this is the screen that you'll see when you click into the creator studio. If you are a content creator, then you know what this looks like. But I'm gonna click over here on content, and then I'm gonna go to the exact video that went viral, because yes, there are other videos that have been performing pretty well on my channel and they are contributing to the revenue on my total channel, but I only want to focus on this video right here because this one by far has generated the most revenue. So this was my channel's first ever viral video. This is the top 6 monthly dividend ETFs to invest in for income. I want to show you how this video performed early on, like when I first posted it, and how long it took for the video to actually begin going viral. So as you can see right here on my screen, I posted this video Monday, September 13th at 6 p.m. And if I just slide down this chart right here, you can see that yes, this video is getting views, but if you look at the entire chart, you'll see that it was virtually flat and the growth was almost non-existent for a little over a month. I posted the video on September 13th, and here we go on October 19th, more than a month after posting it, and that line that you can see right here, that line is still pretty flat. And so yes, while the video does have a little bit over 3,000 views, that's nothing like viral worthy, right? That's nothing to boast about. However, if we scroll over here to around the end of October, October 22nd, 23rd, 24th, you see that the views start picking up substantially. And this right here, around this area, around late October, is when things started exploding. And so if I click over here into the revenue tab, as you can see on the screen, I've almost earned $4,000 from this video. And of course, as you can see from the line chart right here, I started earning more money the more views the video got, right? So right toward the end of October, when the views started really coming in, that's when I started earning a lot more money from this video, which obviously makes sense because the more people watching the video, the more ads are being shown on it. The more people watching ads, the more money I make. So I'm going to click right up here in the advanced mode of the YouTube Creator Studio to really break down how much money I've been making on a daily basis from this video. I'm actually going to click right here on this drop down so that I can bring up all the metrics. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go to your estimated revenue. Next, I'm going to change the date filter up here. Instead of the last 28 days, I want to see the lifetime earnings of this video. And so I'll click on that and click on since uploading. Now, as you can see, when I first posted this video back in September, I was making only about $1 per day, and honestly, sometimes even way under that. I mean, you can see here 37 cents on this day, 38 cents, 52 cents. And then once the video got into favor with the YouTube algorithm, you can see that the money that I made per day really started picking up to a point where I was making well over $100 per day. You can see here, at one point, I made $156.56 on a single day. That sort of tapered off back below $100. And then toward the end of November, it spikes back above $100. My guess is because it was Thanksgiving weekend and people were just on vacation. They were at home, they were watching YouTube. And so my guess is that there were more views coming in at that time. for that reason, because of the holidays, right? Now, the really cool thing about YouTube and what I love about YouTube so much is that as long as this video stays up, as long as people keep watching it, I will continue making money from this video. And this is a perfect example of passive income. You see, I only had to make this video once. And once it's posted, whatever happens, happens. I don't have to continue working on the video for it to make me money. I can be sleeping and this video is still getting views and it's still earning me money. I could be sipping a cup of coffee at Starbucks. I could be doing anything other than working on this video because it's already done, and this video will continue making me revenue. And so now, instead of me trading in my hours for money, I'm making money without having to trade in my hours because this video is always working in the back end for me. And so this means I now have more time in my day to continue working on my passions, to continue building more ways to earn passive income so that I can continue making money without actually having to work for that money. And yes, obviously there is still work involved, right? I have to actually go and make the videos. I have to write the scripts. I have to record the video like I'm doing now. I have to edit the video. I have to post it and do all the SEO work. I have to make the thumbnails. There's still a lot of work involved, but the idea here and the goal is to continue making money without actually having to actively work for that money. So let's take a second here to talk about how exactly YouTube decides how much money they're going to pay me on my videos, just to clear up any confusion that you might have. Because while yes, a few 100,000 views on my video is impressive, it's certainly nothing compared to what larger channels get on a consistent basis. But just keep this in mind though, guys, okay? There are channels out there that average about 1 million views per video, but they're only getting paid about $500 for those 1 million views. So how exactly is it possible that my video, which got about 300,000 views, has earned me 8 times the amount of money as that of a video that has 1 million views on another larger channel? If you do a Google search into how much money YouTubers make, it'll tell you between $3 and $5 per 1,000 monetized views. This means that a video with 1 million views would earn between $2,000 and $5,000 for that 1 million views. However, for the types of videos that I make on this channel, which center around personal finance, if I made a video that got 1 million views, the same as any other channel on YouTube, my video would earn me between $10,000 and $15,000 compared to another channel that might earn between $3,000 and $5,000. In fact, the personal finance niche on YouTube is one of the highest paying categories on YouTube, and you might be wondering why exactly is that? Well, it all starts with this number that you see on the screen right here, the CPM, and CPM stands for cost per mil, and mil is a French word. It's also a Latin word that stands for 1,000, and so CPM is how much money advertisers paid per 1,000 monetized views on your video. A lot of YouTubers will make the mistake in thinking that this number right here is how much money they'll earn per 1,000 monetized views, but that's not the case at all. Yes, this is how much money your video is generating per 1,000 monetized views, but this is before YouTube takes their cut. Now, the number right here to the left of the CPM, the RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, this is what actually matters because this is how much money I'll see for every 1,000 monetized views that my video gets. As I just mentioned a little bit ago, the average RPM on YouTube for most creators sits between $2 and $5, but as you can see right here on my screen, my RPM is currently sitting at $11.36. That's more than double the RPM for the average channel on YouTube. I personally think that the RPM on my videos is so high because I'm in the personal finance niche. And so companies within my niche are willing to pay more money to put their ads in front of you guys compared to, say, a pet video or a cooking video. And so 9 times out of 10, the type of advertiser that's going to be drawn to my video are going to be credit card companies, banks, stockbrokers, companies that tend to have a lot more money than most companies out there. That's the reason why I think my RPM is so high here. And then of course, because that's high, it also means that my revenue is going to be higher as well. In terms of how much money this video right here has made for me, with 377,000 views, I've earned almost $4,000. And of course, as the days and weeks and months go on, as this video continues getting views, I'm going to continue earning money from this video passively. Hey, I appreciate you guys so much for staying and watching until the end. It means the world to me. If you have not already dropped a like down below for the YT algo, please go ahead and do that. Also, if you are not already subscribed to the channel and you made it this far into the video, I'm not really sure what you're waiting on. Go ahead and subscribe. Also, remember to hit that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You guys are amazing. And as always, I will see you again very soon. Take care.